So our formatting of this worksheet is pretty much wrapped up. The last thing that we really need to do here is we need to make sure we can see everything. So we're going to adjust the width of each column, right? Those are our letters. Specifically column J and L, we obviously need to make those wider because we can't see everything. So I'm going to zoom in here just so we can kind of see how to operate with the width. If I click on column A, for instance, one of the things that I can do to automatically change the width is just grab those two little lines, and then I can drag it with my finger to make it as wide or as narrow as I want. But for instance, I can column A here. Now I can't see everything. So one of the things that Excel does is what's called autofit. And autofit is going to automatically make all of the contents of our cell fit perfectly width-wise. So how we do that is we click on the column we want to adjust, in this case column A, and I'm just going to double tap those two lines there, and it's going to automatically fit everything. Okay, we can do the same thing to column B. Right, and we could do that all the way down, and if that's something you want to do, great, but I think that's kind of a waste of time, so I'm just going to select everything. Okay, and I find it's a little bit easier if after we select, we just zoom in, and I'm going to double tap on those two lines on column N. Oops, I missed it. Let's try it one more time. Okay, and then everything is automatically adjusted to fit. Okay, if you want to go through each cell and do it one by one, you can do that too. Okay, so our worksheet's looking good. One thing I did forget from an earlier video is we want to center everything in our column headings. Okay, so how we center everything is we click our alignment button and click center. And we're just going to do that for rows 3 and 8. Okay, so worksheet's looking good, pretty easy to read. We can clearly see our income, our expenses, how much money we made in each section, and then what our profit was for each month.